Hey, my couponing friends, these CVS deals are valid Sunday, August 16th through Saturday, August 22nd, 2026. So let's run through this rolling ExtraBucks scenario and keep our out-of-pocket as low as possible. Transaction 1, grab one L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Toner, the 8.5-ounce bottle, for $8.49. Clip the $5 off one L'Oreal skincare coupon. You'll pay $3.49 and get back $5 extra bucks. Take that $5 into transaction 2 and grab 3 Crest 3D white toothpastes, the 2.4-ounce size at $3.99 each. Clip the $5 off 3 Crest coupon, use your $5 extra bucks, and you'll pay about $1.97. Then you're getting $5 extra bucks right back. For transaction 3, grab 2 Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lotions, the 8.5-ounce bottles. They're buy one, get one 50% off. Clip the 1.50 Palmer's coupon, roll your $5 extra bucks, and pay about $3.23. You'll get back $6 extra bucks. Now transaction 4, grab 2 ACT mouthwashes, the 18-ounce bottles. Clip the $1 ACT coupon, use your $6 extra bucks, and pay about $3.58. You're getting $7 extra bucks back. Last transaction, grab 2 Persil Pro Clean detergents, the 34-ounce bottles, at $6.99 each. Roll your $7 extra bucks, pay about $6.98, and get $6 extra bucks back. There's also a 50-cent IBOTTA offer listed, but check your account before counting that rebate. Hey, my couponing friends! If you've never used Fetch before, now is the perfect time to try it, because new users can currently receive $10 worth of Fetch points through August 18th. All you have to do is download the Fetch app, create a new account, and enter my referral code B3KVN before you scan your first receipt. Once your account is ready, scan your first eligible receipt and let Fetch process it to receive your bonus points. After that, keep scanning your shopping receipts to earn even more points. You can redeem your points for gift cards from participating retailers, so don't throw those receipts away. Full disclosure, this is my personal referral code, which means I may receive points when you complete the requirements too. Pause the video or take a screenshot because my Fetch code is B3KVN. Remember, this $10 offer is currently available through August 18th. So for these August 16th through August 22nd CVS deals, you're getting 10 products, paying around $19.25 out of pocket before tax, and leaving with $6 extra bucks. And remember, prices and coupons can vary by store and account. Scan everything in the CVS app before checkout, and if a coupon isn't showing or the product isn't tracking toward the reward, skip that deal. That's how we keep the cash low and keep those extra bucks rolling.